People are asking, what are we doing in the Progressive Caucus? Why are you working with MK? Why are you sitting with the EFF? Why are you laughing with Malema? Jacob Zuma is the only president in the history of this country that has delivered something for the poor. You know, when that man came into the seat, South Africans were dying of a simple disease called HIV. Thabo Mbeki denied that there was such a thing. They said that the country couldn't afford antiretrovirals to save poor lives. Zuma came in his first month in office. He sat down with the finance people. He said, I don't care where you find it. Poor people are dying. That is what Jacob Zuma did for this country. They will smear him with Nkandla for the rest of his life. And you know what? I think it's fair criticism. We've never had a perfect president. But if you ask me on whose side I stand, I always stand with the poor. I have chosen my side. I ask you to be on the side of the right. MK is not Jacob Zuma. MK is a collective. They've got 7 PhDs in there. These are not stupid people. This is why Ramaphosa and the DA fear MK. Ramaphosa sits with a file, a completed investigation by SIU about what happened at Strandfontein. Enough to probably jail people from the DA. He's never released that report. He's there to protect the DA, like the DA are there to protect him. While the protection of Ramaphosa and people like Steenhuisen goes on, colored people will die. I will fight that with my last breath. Let me tell you what they're going to do. They're going to talk. They're going to talk in corners. They're going to call you into corners. They're going to talk about jobs. They're going to say this, that, the other. If you are distracted by that, you didn't belong here in the first place.
It's happening.
Let them, we know it's happening. It's happening. Let them throw money at those who came here for money. Those who want change will stay. 2026, guys, the figures show it. The DA is gone. The mayor of the city of Cape Town, in all probability, stands in this room, here amongst you. Make decisions for us. En ons gaan jou moere dit doen. We don't need to have a very long meeting. If you need to understand why we are in a certain corner, why we're fighting a certain fight, this is your fight. This is the corner that can bring change to you. I can tell you now. I can tell you now. They are fearful of what is coming.